Hi, I'm Bhushan. My journey with Balcal started 10 months back in January 2024. The purpose I came over here was basically for weight loss, and when earlier before coming to Balcal, I had visited my doctor and I was diagnosed with multiple problems like uric acid, high BP, sugar, then fatty liver, etc. And the only case that doctor suggested was weight loss. There was nothing else that he suggested. Initially, I was very skeptical because I was under the assumption that there is no natural way of losing weight just by controlling your diet. But Balcal, Richa, and Pragna proved me wrong in that case. And as I mentioned, I was very skeptical. Like my wife had to push me to come over here, and I was like, okay, for formality, I will just start it, and then I can give reasons for discontinuing it, but I was proved wrong. So then later I started my journey with Balcal with the initial program, and in the first 2 weeks itself I saw a difference a lot in my weight where I lost a couple of kgs within 15 days without any major change in my diet, just by controlling the diet and some light walking on daily basis. That gave me the confidence in continuing my journey over here, and I registered, took an extension basically, and then with the help of Richa and Pradnya and Balcal, the whole team of Balcal, I was regularly guided for the meals that needs to be taken on daily basis. My regular follow-ups were done. Richa and Pradnya used to check my weight, and on the basis of that she used to give a follow-up plan for the next week. After a couple of months, maybe probably, I was asked to get my body composition done and the blood test as well. And there was a good thing that I noticed over there, that my sugar levels were in control, my fatty liver was gone, my uric acid was gone. So those are some good positive things that I saw during this journey. One more thing I would like to add is that many people started noticing the change in me and came to me asking as to how did I manage to do these things. And I would really say that this would not have been possible without the whole team of Balcal, because they were the ones who guided me on my diet and the basic exercises that I need to do for this weight loss journey. Before I started the program, I was sitting on 96 kgs, and now I have dropped to nearly 75 to 76 kgs, which I feel a lot difference in my body itself. Whenever I look at myself, I had to change my whole wardrobe because of this, thanks to the whole team. So during this journey I had a few outings planned over there as well. The team made sure that it would not impact, my outing would not impact. They gave me the plans that would help me during my travel as well and did not impact anything. Or also the cases where Pragna also gave me some breaks, where she gave me a cheat day, that where I can have whatever I want for one day. Richa has suggested me that what is to be done next once the course is completed, how do we need to maintain the weight. The maintenance plan would also be provided, so that after completing the course I should not be gaining it again and coming back to the same place where I was there earlier. I would like to thank the whole Balcal team and wish them all the best for their future, and would definitely recommend anyone who would come to me for asking for the reasons behind my weight loss.